Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And today I have an elephant that I want to outline and prepare for paint. Now I already made this one I bought at the Dollar Tree and I loved it so much. I loved the way it came out. I went back for more and I only found one. So the one that I found is the one that we're going to be working on. So I'm going to show you what I have here. So this is the one that I painted. I just love the way this came out. Now this is the plain one that I just bought. I also have here some paint. The paint I didn't go out and buy like recently. I've had it for a while, so it was all still good. It wasn't dried up or anything like that. This is the blue that I used for this elephant. This blue here with the black and some gold. Now the gold, I have it upstairs, but I'm not using gold now, so I just brought down the yellow one. The yellow one is going to look like the trunk. You see what I'm saying? So I have the black paint here, and I also have a glossy finish that I bought at the Dollar Tree. I have two brushes, a pencil for the outline, and I also have these. As you can see, he has that yellow jewel border around him, and I have a few different ones here. I have black, pink, not really. I don't think I'm going to use pink, but I have the blue, the black, the yellow, and I have a different one here, which is just like little silver beads, it looks like. So I'm going to paint that one, but first I have to outline it. Now I have a board here. This is a cutting board that I just use for anything like this, and I have my gloves. So I also have wax paper so that nothing sticks, with the paint and all that. So I'm going to place the camera right there. This is the elephant that we are going to use, and I'm going to put on my gloves here. Let's see how this one is gonna come out. Initially, I wanted to make this for my aunt, but then I loved it the way my elephant came out. So I'm going to keep this one and I'll paint this one for her. Let's see, put it there. So I'm getting my wax paper. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to take is my pencil. So I want to outline it in a way that I know where I'm going to paint certain colors. You know what I mean? Let's see. So I'm going to draw a line from here all the way down like that, like if I was breaking him in half. Okay. I want to do this really carefully, so I'm going to draw a line from here like that all the way down over his head like that, and all the way to the back like that. See? Okay, now notice this one, he has the black legs and he has the colors are separated. See, that's what I want to do. So I outlined him before I painted. So then let's see, his body over here, I think it's gonna be a certain color, so I'm going to separate that, make some lines here. See? And I'm going to do the same here like that. I better take off this sticker here. I hate stickers. Okay, so I outlined him over here. Oh, and then I missed this part here to close it up like that. Okay, so I outlined his leg area, and let's see. Okay, so that's about it, I think. Oh, you know what? And under here, all the way to his neck, I wanna outline that. Okay. For that, I have to have him upside down, like that. Close it up. All right, so he's outlined. There are a lot of areas. I think, you know what, maybe even this. I'm going to outline this part too, because this might be a different color. If I want to change my mind, I'll change my mind. It's still okay. All right, so he's outlined. Now I want to start with the yellow. So I'm going to make him mainly yellow and then some black. So this is going to be a yellow and black elephant. Now I have to wait till it dries up, like another day, you know, so I'll bring you part 2, and that's when I'm going to apply this glossy finish. So this I can't use yet. So let's see. Now I need a little cup. I have a little cup here, and that is where I am going to pour some of the, you know what? Nah. You know what? I'm going to get it right out of the bottle. I don't even have to use this. So let's start painting yellow, and I'm going to use this here. I'm also going to use this brush. So first I'm going to start with the small brush. Okay. And I'm going to paint from the line on. The rest I could do with the thicker brush. I just want to make sure that I don't go over that line. See? Okay, now it's okay that I didn't paint on the line, because I'm going to be taking a permanent marker at the end, but that'll come later. So I need to paint the rest over here with this thick one. Okay, so I'm going to paint all this here. Like that. I want to make sure that I'm filling him up. That I'm getting everything here. I love this yellow. Look at that, look at the way it's coming out. Okay. Now I'm going to take this all the way up to the middle here. All the way up to here. Well, it's not the middle, but I want to take it up to there, because then I'm going to apply the black. So it's going to be half black and half yellow. Look at how nice that looks. I love it. Okay, now that's one section that's going to be yellow. Now let's look for another section that's going to be yellow. I think this side here is going to be yellow. Okay, so let's see. So this is the part that I want in yellow. I'm just using, oops, sorry. I'm just using the thinner brush when I get close to the line, because I don't wanna pass the line, you know what I'm saying? Right there. Okay, so now I could use the thick brush. It's coming out nicely. Okay, so now I can use the thicker brush for this area here. This is gonna be really nice. I don't know, but now I have this fever of painting elephants. Once I did the first one, I'm like so into this. Okay. So look how it's coming out. You see yellow on that side and yellow on this side. So I'm gonna make it so that it's yellow and black. Okay. So you see what I'm saying? Look, yellow and yellow. Now there has to be another section that's going to be yellow. It's going to be one of the legs here. So I think I'll do, I think I'll do the front yellow. How about that? The front. So the whole front here is going to be yellow. Now this is why I'm using the wax paper, you see, because since, you know, I'm going to go down, all the way down, I'm going to place him down, so I don't want him to get stuck to any paper or anything. So that's why I'm using wax paper. Okay, let's see. Okay, almost done with this part. Okay, so now that we have all the yellow parts that we wanted, I'm going to do the black. Okay, now for that, what I need to do is I need to clean my brush. So I'm going to leave you right there for a second so that I could wash the brushes. I am back. And yes, I know that they are wet, but I am drying them. And the black paint is so heavy that it'll take, the brush will take. Oops, just came off. You know, I should have bought more paint brushes. I went to the Dollar Tree and I forgot. But I meant to buy more. I was going to, but I guess I was so focused on finding the elephants. You know, I only found one. Alright, so now what I want to do is I'm going to cover the yellow bottle. We don't need it right now.